Alright, hey guys. So I just want to do a quick little video here because I got something in the mail today, and I think everyone should get one. Now, if you haven't picked this one up and you're an FPV pilot, no matter your skill level, you should definitely grab this. So I got from Amazon Prime, of course. Don't tell anybody because I don't do Amazon Prime. But Amazon delivered this FPV Flight Dynamics. We had this guy on the show not too long ago recently, and he told us all about this beautiful content. I'm going to be definitely taking a lot of look at, and a lot of good information in here. I think maybe I'll even learn something. I think everyone will learn something in this. The quality of this is pretty amazing. It does stuff for helis a little bit as well, and planes, to tell you some dynamics. Which is really, really good information here. I'm really stoked. This is going to be a really good book to read. So if you guys haven't checked it out, get it now.